Hi children, welcome to e-technology classes. Children, this is only I'm going to give a revision about the food we eat. Already I explained very detailed about different kinds of foods we are taking in our daily life. So just I go through that, just revise once again, recall of the knowledge. We are going to have a test on next week for all the subjects. So next week we are not going to have a classes. So I would like to say children, we are going to know just detail, just very fastly I am going to explain about the revision of the what we are going to have the first lesson food. So children, we are going to say about main sources of the foods are two. First one is a plants and second one is the animals. We are getting food from plants and animals. Am I clear children? Everybody know that the main sources of the foods, and we know the what kind of the foods we are getting from the plants and animals also once you go through the previous videos. Next, coming to the point of the food, we are having the variety of the food. So children, when we are having the same kind of the food, we'll get the some both. So we should have some variety of the tastes. For example, every day we are eating rice. So rice is a common food for you and getting bored sometimes also because why this rice only we are having. If it is some different taste, definitely will have some more amount of. Why rice is very required for us. Rice gives us energy. So in the rice carbohydrates are present. Already I explained that we have the nutrients. Right amount of the nutrients are necessary for our body. If all the nutrients are mixed together, right amounts are required in our body. Do you know what are the nutrients? First one, carbohydrates, proteins, minerals, vitamins, fats, rough phase also I said, isn't it? So this all these nutrients are required our body. So children, in one kind of the food we cannot find the right amount of this all the nutrients in one food. We have to take different foods. For example, rice gives only for us carbohydrates, it seems energy, whereas the proteins will get the pulses or egg or milk, isn't it, or vitamins and minerals, fruits and vegetables, and some even in the egg and milk. See children, why I am saying always egg and milk. In egg and milk, all these nutrients are presented together, isn't it? So that's why we used to give for everyone, or the baby of the child before 1 year or 6 months, we used to give only feeding of the milk. Why the reason? We get all these nutrients, isn't it? So our body is a necessary of these kind of the nutrients. Next, coming to the point of next one is why we need a food. We need a food not only for the energy, we should grow. Growth also needed. Second one, growth. First one, energy. Second one, growth. And third one is antibodies are required. See, already I said many times, nowadays we are having the those people are having less immunity power. They are attacking the corona. So we should protect ourselves by the germs or microbes, isn't it? So we need a right amount of the immunity system, that is antibodies are required. Immunity power is very important. Next one, here I am telling you know. So same taste of the rice. We can prepare the rice like yellow rice, or we say that biryani, or payasam we can sometimes make, or egg rice we can say, or biryani we can make. So different fried rice we can make, or veg fried rice we can make. So different kinds of the food, the same food we can make different tastes. Or potato, we all the children like potatoes, no? So you like potato curry, kurma, or potato fry, or potato chips, French chips, or any some bhajis also we used to like. So you ask your parents and you make. So in a different taste you can get from the one food. So that is important. Not only these two foods, the remaining foods also, whatever you will take, whether the spinach we can take, or anything. If you, those people are like non-veg, like fish or chicken or mutton, whatever it may be, you can take in a different way, not only in a same method. If the same taste we get, we'll get some boring. So instead of that, we have to take in some other way, like egg also, isn't it? So that is a same taste, not a in the same way method we are taking. Different tastes also, it is a required. Now let's see how people develop the food habits. So children, here you just see our Andhra Pradesh, the geographically we can see the climatically conditions are paddy is a suitable crop in our Andhra Pradesh, isn't it? So most of we take rice as a major food, isn't it? When we go to the North Indians, they have the some wheat, they have the wheat crops. So we have the paddy, that is the rice. So with the rice we are making in a developing different kinds of the crops also, like a jawar or maize, or what we say in a cereals, or some vegetables, or in a different like what we say multi crops also we can make. Hybridization nowadays we are all having the hybrid crops only, isn't it? So that is the development of, once you see the previous class. Next one, different methods of the food. Already I told you, not only one method we have to make in a cooking, the fry or steaming, boiling, next chopping or canning. So different kinds of the methods of the food is there. Just you go through that, and we should know what are the types of methods. Already we were explained very detailed. Next one is the preservation of the food. So this is a very important. So preserving of the methods, we know the in one crop seasons. So for example, you take you like mango or anything also you can take. So mango, when you see custard apple or mango, pineapple, or some marigold flowers, or rose, whatever it may be, you see these are the some seasonal crops are there. So seasonal crops we have to take throughout the what we say, throughout the year we have to storage. So there are some methods are there, adding salt, or if you take the food like a pickles we can make, or dry fish we have to dehydrating, or we have to preserve the dehydrate of the fruits also, that is a dry fruits, isn't it? So these are the simple methods. Just you go through previous videos. Children, we are going to have the first lesson. So the lesson name is the food we eat. Am I clear? So the lesson name is the food we eat. So that we have to see once again. We are going to have next week a test, online test. Everybody should get 20 out of the 20. Children, they have given the enter your name. You have to write your name, and they will give 4 options. Total 20 marks. 4 options are there. In that 4 options, only one option only have to choose. After you go for the next. So after completing of your test, you have to submit, and immediately you will get your result also, isn't it? So you have to go through that and very carefully and put the tick. Am I clear, children? Everybody get, and all the best. Have a nice time. Thank you.